Let me ask you something. If your portfolio was down 30%, 40%, 50%, would you still have that same long-term conviction? Would you still be buying the dip or just hoping that the bleeding stops? Because Wall Street loves to hide behind the long term. They say, don't worry about the pain now, just wait 30 years and you'll be fine. But what if you don't have 30 years? What if you're looking to retire in 5 or 10 years? What if there is a way to avoid the pain entirely and actually profit during market falls and crashes? That's what this video is about. Because the real secret to long-term wealth isn't buying and holding, it's mastering the short term so you're not at the mercy of the market's chaos. You see, we've all been sold the same lie. Just buy the index, close your eyes and wait. It sounds simple, and sure, it can work if you've got decades to wait and the stomach to endure every correction, crash and crisis along the way. But for most people, that's just not reality. See, I've spoken with thousands of traders from all over the world, many of them thinking about or approaching retirement or already retired, who can't afford another 30 to 50% drawdown. They don't want to sit through another tech wreck or another global financial crisis or another COVID crash, another gut-wrenching ride on the roller coaster of hope. They want a way to take control, to build freedom now, not in 20 years from now. And that's exactly what mastering the short term can give you. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Wall Street has been lying to you, and it's been costing you dearly. You've probably heard the myth 10% per annum is a fantastic return. You've probably been told things like slow and steady wins the race. But what if that's the biggest lie keeping you stuck financially? What if, in mastering the short term, you could avoid the pain altogether and actually turn that pain into profit? I spent over 2 decades in the world of professional finance, working with firms like Goldman Sachs and Citibank. But it wasn't until I started coaching everyday traders that I realized something important. Most people don't need more financial theory, they just need a way out. They need a strategy that fits their life, one that can create consistent income, protect their capital, and build long-term wealth without the anxiety of buy and hold and hope. So I built it. A system based on short-term trades with defined risk, a repeatable edge, and the ability to thrive in any market condition. Because what is the long term anyway, but a succession of connected short terms? Long-term investing asks you to endure the short term, but short-term mastery lets you leverage the short term. You see the difference? It gives you control. It gives you precision. It gives you flexibility. Instead of sitting helpless while your portfolio gets cut in half, you can be the one profiting from that volatility. Instead of riding every wave up and down, you can choose when to participate and when to protect. That's the mindset shift. We don't guess, we don't gamble, we don't hope. We trade with structure, with setups, and with discipline. And over time, that's what builds real, resilient wealth. Mastering the short term allows you to compound your wealth more frequently. Consider this. Grow $10,000 at 10% per annum, and you'll have about $16,000 in 5 years. Now that's nice, but it's not exactly life-changing, is it? But compound that same $10,000 at 5% per month, and you'll have over $350,000. That's not just nice, that is life-changing. Imagine being able to generate income every month, even if the market is flat or falling. Imagine looking at a 5% dip or a 20% drop and thinking, great, here comes opportunity. Imagine building wealth without giving up your freedom, your sleep, or your peace of mind. That's what short-term mastery makes possible. And you don't need to trade all day. You don't need a wall of monitors. You just need a good plan and a system, a few proven setups, and of course the confidence to execute. Now, risk management is absolutely paramount in all of this, because risk management isn't just a safety net. It's the cornerstone. It's the very foundation of a sustainable trading business. Here's the truth. Every trade carries risk, but by only exposing yourself to risk when there's a high probability setup, you massively shift the odds in your favour. This isn't about avoiding risk entirely, because risk is precisely where the opportunity lies. It's about controlling losses to ensure long-term sustainability. Think of it this way. If you can get really good at not losing money while consistently showing up and following a plan with an edge, your trading success becomes virtually inevitable. This approach isn't about just preserving capital. It's about fostering consistency and discipline. By managing risk effectively, you prevent major losses, promote consistency, and you limit emotional decision-making. In essence, mastering risk management transforms trading from a game of chance into a high-probability strategic pursuit where long-term success is not just possible, but probable. We've helped thousands of traders make this shift from passive passengers to active builders of their own wealth. People like Ravi, who told me September, which is a seasonally weak month for buy and hold investors, was my most profitable. Using methods taught by Simon, I'm up 10.9% for the month. Or Zach, who made a 163% return on his portfolio in 2023. It's not about chasing every tick. It's about consistency, clarity, and compounding wins one good trade at a time. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to build long-term wealth by mastering the short term, there's a link below this video. Click that link. You'll join a global community of traders who grow their wealth on their own terms. You don't have to settle for hope. You can trade with confidence and you can build real momentum, because the short term is where long-term freedom is made. Like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what is your #1 goal for your financial future?